we'll guide you through how to schedule emails in Gmail. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Gmail on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, click on the Compose button in the upper left corner to start a new email. Fill in the recipient's email address, subject line, and write your message as you normally would. Now, instead of clicking the Send button, you need to look for the small drop-down arrow right next to it. Click on this arrow, and you'll see the option to Schedule Send. Click on Schedule Send, and you'll be presented with some preset options like tomorrow morning or next week. If none of these fit your schedule, you can select Pick Date and Time to set a specific date and time that works best for you. A calendar will pop up where you can choose the exact day and time you'd like the email to be sent. Once you've made your selection, click Schedule Send to confirm. Your email is now scheduled and will be sent automatically at the time you specified. To view or manage your scheduled emails, go back to the main Gmail interface and look for the Scheduled label on the left side of the screen. Click on it, and you'll see all your scheduled emails listed there. If you need to make changes, simply open the scheduled email, click Cancel Send, and then you can edit the email or reschedule it. It's that simple and convenient for planning emails ahead of time. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.